It's not that hard to draw a fish and make it look pretty real, just like this one. Follow along with me as I draw it step by step so you can see exactly how it's done. A quick first note, I do like to start with a center vertical and horizontal guideline on my paper. They really do help me plan my drawing. Step number 1. The first thing to draw is the main part of the body. It kind of looks like a big eye shape. I'm starting on the right, gently going up and then down, making the rounded mouth on that center line, and then continuing back to the right. Step number 2. Now the narrow part of the body is going to be added along with that back tail. Start on the top, make a gentle curve up, add the 2 curved ends of the tail, and then go back to the left to complete the shape of the fish. This next step is easy, just adding the line of the tail and then some texture lines inside. Step number 3. Next comes the line that separates the face from the body. It's got a little more of an unusual shape. Start at the top, make a rounded end on the right, and then go down to meet up with the line below. To finish the face, we need a kind of realistic looking eye and mouth. That means just some circles for the eye, and simple lines for the lips, and a J shape for a gill. Step number 4. Now it's time for adding some fins. Start with the pectoral one like I'm doing here. Be sure to add some lines inside when you're done. The top dorsal fin is best to draw in a few steps. Start with a set of curved lines that attach to the body. I'm adding about 9 of them that go across the middle of the paper. Step number 5. Now connect those spines with little lines like I'm doing here. When you get to the end, finish the dorsal fin with one long curved shape. Finally, that new fin shape that you just drew also needs some lines added inside. You can just continue with the same spacing as you had before. Step number 6. Time to add the bottom 2 fin shapes. Start with the front one that is called the pelvic fin. Then start the back anal fin with a simple shape like I'm drawing here. Step number 7. Finish the back fin with a spiky shape on the left side. Add some lines inside when you're done. And don't forget to add lines inside the rest of the fin and the front one too. Step number 8. Now our fish can get finished with just a few scale lines. A hint of a few here and there will do the trick, but feel free to add as many as you want. Step number 9. Okay, this fish drawing is done, so it's time to trace all of those pencil lines with a good black marker. And when the tracing is done, it's always a good idea to erase any extra pencil lines that might still be showing. Now it's time to color this fish. I'm going to make mine with a 2-tone body. The belly is going to be yellow, and the top part of the body a bright yellow-green, and the fins and the tail a nice dark green color. And lastly, a blue background so this fish can be swimming in the water. Okay, here is my finished fish drawing. See how a few more details made it look so much more like a real fish? My name's Kathy, and for the past 20 years, my Art Projects for Kids website has helped millions of kids learn how to draw. It now has over 700 drawing projects, including how to draw a shark and how to draw a sea turtle. I hope you try out those projects too, and I hope you keep on drawing. See you next time.